Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is fill in the blanks, and we have given 971,059 divided by 34. We have to find that division. So to find this, let us do long division. 971,059 divided by 34. As 3 is here and 9 is here, so before 9 there is a 6 in 3's table, so which is 2 times. So let us check 2. 34 into 2 is 34 into 2. 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6, so 68. 17 minus 8 is 9, and 8 minus, we borrowed from here, so 8 minus 6 is 2. Move this 1 down. 291. Now let us check here. Before 29 there is a 27 in 3's table, so which is 9 times. So before that we can check 8. 34 into 8 is 8 4s are 32, 3 carry over, 8 is a 24 plus 3 is 27, so it is 272, which is 272. Now 11 minus 2 is 9, borrowed from here, so 8 minus 7 is 1. Move this 0 down. 190 is there. Now before 19 there is a 18 in 3's table, which is 6 times. We can check 6. 6 4s are 24, 2 carry forward, 6 3s are 18 plus 2 is 20, 204, which is greater than 190. So let us check 5. 5 4s are 20, 2 carry forward, 5 3s are 15 plus 2 is 17. So we can take 5. 170. Now 190 minus 170 is 20. Move this 5 down. 205. We can take 6, which is 204. So 1. Now move this 9 down. So here 0. 19 minus 0 is 19. So our remainder is 19 and our quotient is 28,560. Hence, $971,059 divided by 34 equals to 28,560. Remainder 19.